This is a numerical question from relative velocity. There is a cannon and a shell is fired from the cannon. This is the barrel of the cannon, which is rotated with a constant angular speed 2 rad per second. The moment when the shell is about to leave the barrel is having a linear relative velocity of 3 meter per second. 3 meter per second. The question is, what is the absolute velocity of the shell? And length of the shell given 2 meter. See, whenever the shell is inside the barrel, it is having two types of motions. When the shell is rotated, the barrel is rotated. So along with the barrel, the shell will also rotate. So it will be having a rotary motion, and due to this rotary motion, it will experience an radially outward force, which is known as centrifugal force. So due to this centrifugal force, it will gain a radially outward motion. So it will be having two types of motion. So due to this centrifugal force, it will gain a radially outward motion, which is given at this particular moment when the shell is about to leave the barrel, is 3 meter per second. And due to this rotary motion with omega 2 rad per second, it will be having a tangential motion. So let me draw the velocity diagram here. So this is the radially outward motion, VR. Let this is VR 3 meter per second, and this is tangential. In tangential direction, let this is VT, and this angle will be 90 degree because this is radially outward and this is tangential, so these two are mutually perpendicular. So what we need to calculate is the resultant velocity. That is the absolute velocity. Let me write down as VA. So here given omega, constant angular speed omega is 2 rad per second, and the moment when this shell is coming out of the barrel, so at this particular position it will be having a path like this. So tangential to this path will be one tangential velocity. So at this particular location, the radius of the path is 2 meter. 2 meter, that is the length of the barrel. So therefore the Vt tangential velocity is nothing but the r into omega. So 2 into 2, that is equal to 4 meter per second. So therefore Va is equal to root under Vr square plus Vt square, that is equal to 3 square plus 4 square, that is equal to 5 meter per second. So what are the options given? A 3 meter per second, B 4 meter per second, C 5 meter per second, and D 7 meter per second. So clearly C is the answer. Therefore answer is C, 5 meter per second.